Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving into Harborview. We just came from St. Thomas, we came through Bull Bay, and we are now going into Harborview. This section of the Harborview, it's part of the highway of the southern coastal highway, so it's going to be 4 lanes. You can say they have plenty of space on the left and the right, so they don't need to remove any structures. Now on the left here, where you see the BYD blocks, that used to be the entrance to the Harborview drive-in. Very popular drive-in in Jamaica. And on the left where you see that concrete wall, the high wall, that's where the screen used to be. So I'm sure a lot of persons remember the Harborview drive-in. You see this section of the road is already 4 lanes. So this is how it's going to look for when they complete the highway. Now straight up here, straight ahead, where you see this is the Harborview Bridge, this is where the Southern Coastal Highway is going to start, right at this bridge. And it's going to run from this point all the way to Port Antonio in Portland. Wow, what were they thinking? He looked like he literally wanted to step out in the road. Oh boy. Alright. So this is the Harborview Bridge. So we are now in Harborview. And Harborview is in St. Andrew. It's actually the border for the city of Kingston. Remember, the city of Kingston includes the parish of Kingston and parts of the parish of St. Andrew. So on this side, this is one of the borders for the city of Kingston. It's also bordered by 3 Miles and Papine. And I think that is one of the biggest misconceptions in Jamaica. A lot, because you have a parish by the name of Kingston and then you have the city of Kingston. So many people mix it up. So many people think that Kingston, the city of Kingston, is downtown Jamaica. Because the parish of Kingston is downtown the parish of Kingston includes downtown Kingston and Port Royal. And Port Royal, if you go right here, you would go into Port Royal. That's the Palisade Strip. If we take that left turn, not right, sorry, left. On the left here is where you take Palisade Strip and takes it to Port Royal. The city of the parish of Kingston has about 100,000 people. It's downtown Kingston and Port Royal. The city of Kingston has over 1 million people. It is the largest city in Jamaica and it's the capital of Jamaica. So a lot of people mix it up. The city of Kingston includes the parish of Kingston and parts of the parish of St. Andrew. So where we are now, we just left Harborview. This is a part of the city of Kingston. When you go up to Papine in the north, that is a part of the city of Kingston. That's the border. When you go through certain parts of St. Andrew down to 3 Miles, that's a part of the city of Kingston. Alright guys, so we are now on the Sir Flowers Glasspole Boulevard. And this is named after the former Governor General of Jamaica, Sir Flowers Glasspole. I think he was the first. No, he wasn't the first. I was going to say he was the first Jamaican-born Governor General, but no, I think there were local-born Governor General or Jamaican-born Governor Generals before him. But nonetheless, this road is named after Sir Flowers Glasspole. So this is now the Rockfort area, and straight ahead is the Carib Cement Company, and that's where they manufacture cement in Jamaica. Now straight ahead is, it's a Shell head office in Jamaica, but it's no longer Shell, it's Rubis. And then behind that is a Jamaica Flour Mills. So on the right now is the head office for Rubis. And there used to be Shell and Massey Gas Products is over there as well. And then straight ahead now, that building with the towers is the Jamaica Flour Mills. And on the left is actually a pier for the Jamaica Flour Mills. So they have their own dock when the ships come in, because that's the Kingston Harbour on the left. They just dock and load or unload the cargo. So if you turn right there now, you would go on to Mount Windward Road, but we went straight and we're now on Michael Manley Boulevard.